Good morning friends. The previous lecture was discussed about the molecular orbital diagram of the various heteroatomic dimolecule. Today we will discuss the molecular orbital diagram of CO structure. Hemo diagram CO diagram of molecular orbital diagram of CO structure. You know, it is an example of heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Two atoms are combined, one of them carbon and other hydrogen. The electronic configuration, first point, electronic configuration of carbon, atom number is 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, this 2p2 divided into two suborbital, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. Then next, what is next? Oxygen, atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This 4 electron is the p suborbital again divided into 2px2, 2py1 or 2pz1. This one electron or this one electron are situated in all these three along the three axes. Hence here written as here or 2py2 or 2pz2. One of them you can be right anywhere. Then this is the electronic configuration. Then next, now both 1s2 orbital of carbon and hydrogen, they are closely inner cell, hence cannot participate in bonding molecular orbital. Cannot participate in bonding molecular orbital. Which orbitals are involved in bonding molecular orbital? That is a 2s and 2p of carbon atom, 2s2 and 2p4 of the oxygen atom. These four orbitals are involved in bonding molecular orbital. Then how to write? How to draw the molecular orbital diagram of CO molecule? And right here, energy, here carbon atom, here oxygen atom. 1s2 orbital are inner cell, cannot participate in bonding molecular orbital. Then 2s of carbon atom, 2s of oxygen atom, 2p of carbon atom, 2p of oxygen atom. Here how many electrons? Here 2 electrons. Here also again 2 electrons. Then these 2 electrons combine. Here sigma 2s2. It is a bonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital sigma star 2p. Sigma star 2s2. It is antibonding molecular orbital. Here one electron here comes from 2s. One electron comes from 2 oxygen. Here 2 plus 2, 4 electron in BMO and 2 electron in antibonding molecular orbital. But the next 2p orbital, this 2p orbital, p orbital divided into two categories. Why? Because 2p orbital are splitted. 2p orbital are splitted. This is a 2p of carbon atom and 2p of oxygen atom. Here 2px, pi 2py, pi 2py and pi 2px. Here sigma, sorry, pi 2py and pi 2pz, sigma 2px. Here again sigma star 2px, here pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, pi star 2pz. How many electrons here in 2p orbital? Oxygen 4, 1 2 3 4, 4. Here carbon contain only 2 electrons, 2p2. Here 2p4. One electron comes from oxygen atom, sorry, carbon atom. One electron comes from oxygen atom. One electron comes from carbon. One electron comes from oxygen. Remaining 2 electrons return in sigma 2px. Sigma 2px. What is the, you understand please, what is the molecular orbital diagram of CO? The simplest molecular orbital diagram. In the textbook, some of the complicated molecular orbital diagram of CO, but you write in exam the simple molecular orbital diagram of CO molecule. Here left hand, right hand side carbon put up, then oxygen 2s2, oxygen 2s2 carbon. This 4 electron combined from sigma 2s2 antibonding sigma star 2s2. Then carbon 2 electron, oxygen 4 electron p orbital. These 6 electrons are combined to formation of a total bonding molecular orbital diagram. Okay. Then what is the next? Total empty zone. Total empty orbitals. Pi star and sigma star are total empty orbital. Then next point is symbolically representation. Symbolically representation. Which atoms are involved? Carbon atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 plus oxygen atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Hence produce formation of CO molecule. Both orbital is a common, that is 1s2, 1s2. I am not write here only for written and later K. Then next sigma 2, sigma 2s2. How many electrons here? 2. Then sigma star 2s2. These 2. Then next pi 2px2. Then next pi 2py2. Then next sigma 2px2. And total. Then next pi star 2px0, pi star 2py0, and then sigma star 2s0. The total symbolically representation of the carbon monoxide structure or CO structure. What is the next? The next is bond order of CO molecule. Here, what is the bond order? 1/2 equal to BMO minus ABMO upon 2. That is total bond order. This is the symbolically representation of CO molecule. Okay. Then third point. Third point is bond order. What is bond order? 1/2 into BMO minus ABMO. That is, how many electron in BMO total? 2 and 6. Total 8 electron in BMO. What is ABMO? Here sigma star 2s2, that is a 2 electron present in ABMO upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. The bond order of CO is 3. It shows, its conclusion, the CO contains 3 covalent bond, one of sigma bond and other 2 pi bond in nature. Therefore, the bond order of CO is 3. Hence, it contains 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. That is C triple bond O. The nature of C triple bond O. Okay. Few important concepts according to molecular orbital diagram. Few important point of CO structure as like as oxygen can discuss as one by one. On the basis of MO, basis of molecular orbital theory or molecular orbital structure, CO gives a various property. Various property as shown below. First, what is the first? Presence of a triple bond. The bond order of CO is 3. Therefore, it shows a triple bond. The bond order of CO is 3. Hence, the CO contains triple bond. In this triple bond, again given 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. The 3 bond are distributed, 1 is sigma bond and 2 is pi bond. Then almost non-polar nature. Second point, almost non-polar nature. Okay, non-polar nature. You know pole. Suppose one of the ionic structure of NaCl, it is a purely polar structure because charge distributed on these two atoms, are shared. Carbon is attract electron, bonding electron, it gives a negative, and electron goes through sodium atom, it shows a del positive charge. It is a highly polar molecule. But according to molecular orbital diagram, it is a non-polar in nature. No any competition to attract the bond toward the oxygen side or either carbon side. Hence, it is a simpler non-polar structure. Why the non-polar structure? The reason behind them, due to presence of bonding electron more nearer to oxygen atom, the excess nuclear charge on oxygen is partly neutralized. The oxygen charge is partly neutralized. Hence, The CO contain triple covalent bond, but these electron they are neutralized. Hence cannot formation of any pole in between carbon and directly carbon and oxygen. In carbon, here each contain one carbon it contain lone pair is considered as carbene. And oxygen contain one lone pair. Oxygen contain two lone pair. The charge distributed collapse. The charge cannot be distributed along the oxygen side as well as carbon side. Then next, electron donor behavior. Third point is electron donor behavior. CO structure, it is a electron donor behavior as a Lewis base. Lewis base is a electron donor as like a CO. And this CO, carbon monoxide, is a good electron donor due to presence of an electron pair in higher energy non-bonding molecular orbital. That is a, first of all, I say carbene. Two unpaired electrons present on carbon. It is a good donating nature. It is easily donates its self electron. Hence, it's called as electron donor behavior. Hence, it can form compound like a metal carbonyl, where CO donates a pair of electron to metal atom like a transition metal. You know the transition metal atom. Suppose here metal and here carbonyl. First of all, this carbon, it loses its lone pair toward the metal side to formation of metal carbonyl bond. It is a very important structure, metal carbonyl. According to Mons, first nickel tetracarbonyl is the first metal carbonyl compound synthesized by Mons process. It is a simpler metal carbonyl bond because d orbital vacant of the metal atom cannot present in any excess electron. It is a d orbital vacant of the metal atom, and this carbon can donate its self electron toward the empty d orbital of the metal atom. Hence, the electron donor behavior of carbon atom. Then next, electron acceptor behavior. Electron acceptor. Electron acceptor behavior. According to molecular orbital diagram, 2p of carbon, 2p of oxygen. Here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3. Only 2 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. 2p4. 2p2 of carbon, 2p2 of oxygen. Here total 6 electron in bonding molecular orbital, but here pi star to py, pi star to px and pi star to py. Total empty orbital. Hence, the pi star of CO is total empty orbitals. Hence, electron comes through donor side directly present on this pi star orbital. Hence, CO is a good pi acceptor ligand. Suppose one of the metals here and vacant orbital. First of all, carbon donate its self electron toward the metal side. If excess electron of metal, then metal can donate also its self electron toward the carbon side. Then carbon can accept electron for which orbital? Carbon can accept electron from 2p pi star 2px and pi star 2p orbital in total vacant. Hence, electron comes through toward the metal side in pi star 2px and pi star 2py suborbital. That is a back donation. It is also known as a back donation. First of all, carbon donates its self electron toward the metal side. Then metal again donates electron toward the carbon side. Hence is called as back donation. Called as a back donation. There is a 4 important aspects of the molecular orbital on the basis of CO gives a various property. First of all, presence of triple bond, 1 sigma and 2 covalent bond, so 2 pi bond. Then almost non-polar nature. It is a bond. It is non-polar in nature. According to what is the dipole moment? It is very few. Can measure the very few dipole moment. Then next, electron donor behavior in carbonyl. It is an electron donates. Carbon itself electron donates to the carbon side. Then electron acceptor behavior. Carbon antibonding orbitals pi star 2py and pi star 2pz total vacant orbitals. Then metals can accept the pi star orbital electron toward the metal sides. Hence, the 4 important aspects of the carbonyl structure. The molecular orbital structure and its importance of CO is over. The next important structure, that is structure of nitric oxide. Structure of HOMO structure of nitric oxide. In nitrogen, the central in NO structure. First is nitrogen. First of all, electronic configuration. Of nitrogen atomic number 7, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. These 2p again subdivided into 3 axes: 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Then next, carbon 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Here again divided into 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. Is the electronic configuration of C and O. Sorry, nitrogen and oxygen. Okay. In both carbon and nitrogen, 1s2 is common. They are closely inner cell, cannot participate in bonding molecular orbital. These two suborbital can undergo the linear combination of atomic orbital or undergoes linear combination. Then next, molecular orbital diagram. What is the next? Molecular orbital diagram. I am right here, the molecular orbital diagram. Here, atomic orbital of atomic orbital of nitrogen atom, atomic orbital of oxygen atom. Here 1s2, sorry 2s2. Here again 2s2 of oxygen atom. This is the second suborbital. Then next, p orbital. Here 2p3, 1, 2, 3. Then slightly energy difference between carbon and oxygen. 4 electrons are there. What is 2p4? Is the next 2p4. Here sigma 2px, here pi 2py, pi 2pz. Here one electron comes here, one electron comes here, here again one electron here, one electron here. So how many electron here? 4 plus 3, 7 electron. Then one electron goes through anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is pi star 2py, pi star 2pz. Here same here, one bonding and one anti-bonding. That is a molecular orbital diagram of here sigma star 2py, 2px is total empty orbital. Is total for empty orbital. That is the simplest molecular orbital diagram of CO. Sorry, of NO, nitric oxide. Then next, symbolically representation. What is symbolic representation? In K, 1s2 is here carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 plus oxygen here 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4 to give a nitric oxide structure. Here 1s2 orbital in common, in K for nitrogen, K for oxygen common. Then here sigma 2s2, here sigma star 2s2, here sigma 2s2, 2 electrons are there, sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2, here sigma star 2s2, 2 electrons are there. Then next sigma 2px2, sigma 2px2, then next pi 2py, how many electrons here? Pi 2py, 2 electrons. Then next pi 2pz, how many electrons here? 2. Then next pi star 2py, 1. Then next is equal energy, pi star 2pz, 0. And then next sigma star 2px, 0. It is a total symbolic representation of nitric oxide structure. Here sigma 2s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, and one unpaired electron are present in pi star 2py as well or pi star 2pz. Because these two orbitals have same energy level, electrons are come here and there. It is same energy level. And right here pi star 2py 1. Okay, it is a molecular orbital diagram of NO structure. Then next, bond order. Bond order. What is the bond order? What is the bonding molecular orbital. How many bonding and how many anti-bonding molecular orbital? What is bonding? 2. Here 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 total 8 BMO. What is the anti-bonding? Here 2 and this 1 have anti-bonding molecular orbital. Total 3 upon 2. 5 by 2. It means 2.5. It means a 2.5 bond order. The molecular orbital structure of MO shows presence of one unpaired electron, that is a pi star 2py orbital. Hence, is paramagnetic in nature. Due to one unpaired electron present in pi star 2py orbital, the magnetic nature of this NO is a paramagnetic in nature. This important concept or important properties of NO can be explained on the basis of molecular orbital theory. Similarly, the molecule relatively less stable than N2 because it is a least stable than N2 because the bond order of N2 is 3 and bond order of NO is 5. Bond order increases, stability also increases. It is a total structure description of molecular orbital diagram of